Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Django versus FastAPI performance. We'll dive straight into understanding the core differences that impact how quickly your applications respond. Our goal is to help you decide which framework might be a better fit for your next project, especially when speed is a critical factor. We'll look at their architectural approaches and how these translate into real-world performance, considering factors like throughput and response times. Let's get started on this insightful comparison. Django, known for its batteries-included philosophy, provides a full suite of tools, including a powerful object relational mapper. While incredibly productive, this comprehensive nature, coupled with its traditional synchronous architecture, can introduce a slight performance overhead. In typical scenarios, Django applications might process hundreds to a few thousand requests per second. It truly shines in complex, data-driven applications where development speed, security, and a vast ecosystem are paramount, offering stability and a mature community. FastAPI, on the other hand, is a modern powerhouse built upon asynchronous server gateway interface standards, leveraging Starlet and Pydantic. This foundation allows it to achieve truly remarkable performance, often processing tens of thousands of requests per second with very low latency. Its asynchronous nature means it can handle many operations concurrently without blocking, making it incredibly efficient for I/O-bound tasks. FastAPI is the go-to choice for high-performance APIs, microservices, and applications demanding maximum speed and responsiveness. In summary, for raw performance and high throughput, especially with API-driven services, FastAPI often takes the lead, processing significantly more requests per second with lower latency. However, Django offers a more comprehensive, batteries-included experience, ideal for larger, feature-rich web applications where development speed and a robust ecosystem are key. Your choice should align with your project's core requirements. Prioritize extreme speed and efficiency with FastAPI, or opt for Django's extensive features and rapid full-stack development. Both are powerful tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.